We are Creative Kitchen, a collaborative platform made up of 5 pioneers within the fashion industry. Together, we share the same vision of a circular, integrated supply chain, offering unique product development services from our in-house sustainability department. From designing for circularity to sustainable manufacturing, we are committed to providing innovative solutions for the garment industry and are encouraging the world's biggest brands to change the face of fashion and create a better future.
Hi, I'm Marina, Head of Sustainability at Creative Kitchen. 80% of the ecological footprint of a product is determined at the stage of design. To overcome this challenge, we simply have to design products with the end of life in mind by creating products that either go into a bio or tech cycle, meaning that products could biodegrade at the end of life or could be fully recycled. At Creative Kitchen, we produce millions of garments per year for international brands, and only a small percentage of these are sustainable products. In response to that, we have created a suite of sustainable design services. This includes design for monomaterials, design for disassembly, upcycling design techniques, 3D design, as well as utilizing product cloning. With our monomaterial products, we really look into creating products that are made fully out of one material composition that can be fully recycled or fully biodegrading at the end of life, meaning that it can be reutilized in the process and become new products at one stage.
This is a monomaterial program. We create 100% natural monomaterial. From the cell fabric, lining, padding, we use cotton blend with kapuk. For the thread, we use 100% cotton. Even for the trim, button, we use natural materials. This is a wooden button. And for label, we print the label into cell fabric itself.
To achieve certain performance properties in products, it's sometimes unavoidable to work with different kind of fiber blends or material compositions in one product. Here we have the design solution or possibility to work with design for disassembly, meaning creating a product that can be disassembled in certain parts, which could then reutilized in different recycling streams.
When it comes to any apparel or garment, the material used in production is a primary element in achieving sustainability goals. This dictates whether a product is recyclable or disposable in an environmentally friendly manner. Because of this, at Creative Kitchen, we have found a variety of materials that have far more sustainable properties, whether they are biodegradable, organic, local, or recycled. This can be new processes like regenerating fibers from fishing nets or natural and local options like kapok, grown naturally here in Indonesia. We have even curated a large variety of alternative suppliers in our eco-library that our customer brands can access and utilize in their product line to achieve their own sustainable goals and objectives.
Throughout the manufacturing steps of a garment, up to 46% of the raw material feedstock becomes waste throughout the process. This is a massive amount of waste. Especially in the cut, make, trim process, we face waste amounts of 15 to 25% in the clipping or cutting process. This is a big challenge. How can we achieve more sustainability by reducing the waste already in the manufacturing steps? Is to design products through upcycling these waste materials. We have created a completely new upcycling design approach by integrating accessories and smaller products already into the pattern of the original product. So waste doesn't become waste in the first place, but is used in a more efficient ways to create additional products. With this design technique, we can both reduce the waste during the production process, but also create new additional products for our customer brands.
One of the innovations we're proud of at Creative Kitchen is our use of Glow, a 3D fashion design software program that creates virtual, true-to-life garment visualization that increase sample adoption rate by 55%. So instead of sending up to physical samples 7 or 8 times across the world, we can cut this down to 2 samples only, reducing both waste materials and our carbon footprint. This process also streamlines production times by up to 97%.
A brand new solution we offer, which is simple but highly effective, is product cloning. Through this, Creative Kitchen can create an exact duplicate of brand's existing product, but designed entirely with sustainable materials and processes. This is for brands who want to improve the sustainability of current collections or their trademark products.
Every person nowadays has to take more responsibility to become more sustainable. Even more at company levels, this has to become part of the culture of the company in order that whatever we do as a company become meaningful and can contribute to a better sustainable industry. So as far everybody understands, from consumer down to the latest person in the supply chain, that this is essential and there is no way back, I think we can change the industry. We believe that putting our service at disposal of the industry and finding partners that want to work along with us in this project, I think we can go a long way.